Hey everyone, sorry we got cut off there due to the maximum time limit reached, so this will be a very short video where we just finish this example here. Alright, so if you guys recall, we had just factored this into 3x and negative 8x to give you negative 24x squared. This leaves you with an addition of negative 5x, which matches what we wanted up here. I decided to put the negative 8x here and the 3x here, and we're trying to group. Alright, so let's see if there's anything I can pull out of this term here. I know that 2 goes into both of these. Okay? And I know that that's the only thing that goes into both of them. 3 doesn't go into 6, 3 doesn't go into 8, 4 doesn't go into 6. So we know it has to be 2, and I also know I can bring an x out because there's an x in both terms. So let's write this out as 2x times 3x minus 4. All right? And over here, we have plus 1 times 3x minus 4. So right off the bat, I see, hey, look, these two match. All right, so I can say, okay, 2x plus 1 is one of my factors, because remember I take this and make it one term, 2x plus 1, and then I have this term here, 3x minus 4. Okay, and that's going to give me my two factors. Now, to prove a point here, everyone, let's go ahead and try doing this the other way. So instead of putting negative 8 there, let's put 6x squared plus 3x minus 8x minus 4. All right, we're going to group these terms like this. All right, and now let's pull stuff out. Okay, in this one, I know 3 comes out of both of them, and I can take 3x out. So let's take 3x out here. And then over here, I see that the 3x times 2x is going to give me 6x squared and plus 1. Now, what about over here? I need to get this to 2x plus 1. So what if I take out a negative 4? Right? Negative 4 times 2x is negative 8x, and negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. So that all matches up. And once again, you'll see here that when we group these two, we get 3x minus 4 and 2x plus 1. So as you can see, these two are equal, and it doesn't matter which of these factors you put first or second. Okay? It doesn't matter. No matter what, the factor is going to come out the same. All right, class, I hope this was helpful, and like I said, watch this anytime you get stuck on independent practice. I will be doing a very long, in-depth, live, direct instruction during class, so hopefully you guys have listened to that. If you're doing this asynchronously, feel free to reach out to me for extra help and just set up a Teams meeting. Thanks everyone, and hopefully this was helpful, and I will see you all on Monday.